Hello and welcome to Double Dot Animation Training School. I would like the character to go backwards, turn around and continue to its path. Of course, from an idle standing position to another idle standing position. I've already done the path, as you can see here. Now I would like to make the curve for its rotation, so that it doesn't suddenly rotate in its timing. That means it should prepare itself for this rotation. I'm placing the feet of the characters in a way that the balance of the character doesn't go wrong, and it should reach the maximum limit, the furthest point that it can reach. Let's have an imaginary example.